Well, there isn't just one. There are certain letters that are more curved or have more curves than others. That gives you the opportunity to flourish them a little fancier because there's more places to flourish. Flourishes are made of curves. And so when you have curves in a letter, those are opportunities for flourishing. The more curves a letter presents to you, the fancier it can become. So I like letters like B and E. The letter M is a really good one. There's a few other letters. The letter R. The letter R is just like the letter B, except that it has a leg on the bottom right instead of another loop. But that leg can turn into more flourishing. The letter K, but the first letters I mentioned are probably the nicest ones I like. They can be pretty fancy.